formation of the San Quentin Drama Workshop began with the plays of Samuel Beckett. Krapp's Last Tape. In this small play, I think many writers, critics, Beckett scholars, philosophers have said that perhaps the greatest play of its length ever written. And I would agree to that now, performing it in my, 30th year on 3 continents, or 4 continents actually. Many, many performances. And the more you can associate with the depth of meaning in the play, the more one experiences the play, the more revelation comes and the sense of incarceration within the self. That Beckett had many interests in people who were confined. And of course his plays, I think largely, are about confinement. And they demonstrate the depth of human misery in a situation of self-incarceration. You're in jail in his plays. You're in your urns up to your neck. He challenges the thought, the depth of despair in humanity in imprisonment. To follow his work with the play is a challenge. The special ambience of the stage, the lighting of the stage, the costume, every object has a precise place in the play. I tried to go beyond that. If I can live up to what he did with me as an actor, the faith he put in me as the actor, well, you know, Sam, I've been doing it for 30 years now. You've got to give me a break. But no, I can't do it. I have to stay behind the bars of this play. What we are privileged to do here tonight is a compliment to our journey to make theater in prisons possible.